Hey, what's up, AMP holder? This time AMP is completely on the trending, but my brother, and previous days the AMP will fails down 8.27%. They lost in last 24 hours. So I think it's a very bad news, my brother, for all of you now. But AMP is completely on the trending. Will come here now. So I hope, my brother, they will make you millionaire now. They will give you a profit now. But if you are already, my friends, do what I taught you, so you will completely end the losing and you cannot get a profit. So please, my brother, this time you can see here the price is 0.06 179 USD dollar, and that's clear, my brother. So you can see here after a short fails, every coin, my brother, will starting selling. So this does not mean, my brother, to you starting selling. Please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time the price will be increasing and they will give you a profits now. Let's see holder to what's the update and what's going on this time in the market cap. But please, my brother, please don't, my brothers, do this what I talk you. Absolutely, if you do this, so I hope, my brothers, you will moving in upward and you will get a profit. So this time, my brother, as you can see here, the last, my friend, you can see here all you can see here jumps and pumps. You can see here is on the screen of AMP coin. So that's a very bad, my brother. You can see here in the start, but exactly, my friend, after this point they will moving upward direction and they will completely give you a profit. So that's a really good news, my brother, for all of you now. I hope in upcoming time this coin will give you a profit now, but please, my brother, you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.